Well, good morning. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I'm getting my week started off strong, and today I'm restarting a series of Facebook Live videos, which I used to do over the summer and kind of got out of habit a little bit. So wanted to restart the series again, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to do these about once a week, where I'll be doing some LinkedIn tips online, or I may be doing some LinkedIn profile reviews, which is what I'll be doing today. And kind of the purpose of these is just to help you learn a bit more about how to optimize your use of LinkedIn, whether you're using LinkedIn for business development, whether you're using LinkedIn as a working professional just to kind of understand how to use it more to create those relationships with your target audience on LinkedIn, or maybe you're using it as a career professional and thinking about making a move coming up in 2019, and maybe even by the end of the year, you're really getting your job search started and you just want to learn how to navigate LinkedIn a bit better. Maybe not alert your employer that you're on the move, but learning some different techniques on how to get your profile found. And so today what I want to do is I'm going to be focusing on some profile reviews. So I've been promoting this session for the past few weeks, and initially I actually said first 5 to respond are going to get their LinkedIn profiles reviewed today, and I actually had such an overwhelming response that the original half-hour session I'm actually going to extend it to about an hour. And what I'm going to start with is a top to bottom kind of profile optimization basics, and then from there I'm going to try to get through the entire list of people who've said, hey, can you take a look at my profile? And for those of you who maybe had registered for that session and can't attend live, I'll send you that playback link. And in order to get that playback link, all I ask is that you subscribe to my email newsletter, which is through the Meller Marketing website. And I'm going to try to tag those folks, just in case they aren't on my email list. I'm going to try to tag you guys as well in the video after it's been published. So I think that's kind of it for now. I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up so that I'm ready to go at 11 a.m. today. If you're just watching this message now and you didn't get a chance to tune in, rather to pre-register and kind of let me know that you wanted a profile review, do keep in mind I do offer individual LinkedIn assistance. I help with kind of sitting with you side by side and giving you LinkedIn training and coaching. I also do complete LinkedIn profile rewrites, and we have a discussion kind of based on what are your career goals, your objectives on using LinkedIn, or I do an all done package as well, and that's at the individual level. On the group side, I actually do group training sessions where I'll come to your place of business, your employees will bring their laptops in the room, and I will force them to roll up their sleeves and really jump in on LinkedIn. It's part lecture, part instruction, discussion, and then as a trainer, what I actually do is walk around the room, make sure that people are applying those principles, give them some homework, and come back for sessions too. We start with a homework review, and then we actually get into some other techniques on LinkedIn. So if you're interested, can't attend today, email me. I'm going to put my link in the video down here in the comments in a little bit here. And yeah, so if you're seeing this message, if it's before 11 a.m. on Monday, November 12th, please click to share it on your timeline so that others can join us for the live session. And if you're watching this after 11, that's okay. Join us into the session, or just kind of come back to the Meller Marketing Facebook page or look on my YouTube channel and I'll post a playback to that video. Okay, guys? Thank you so much and have a wonderful Monday. I've got to go get my coffee here, so I'll see you later. Thanks.